umuthi andu 981 ni monekanite na murimu wa COVID-19 rungu rwa mathaa 24 thutha wa andu 7,529 guthimwo murimu uyu. Ithabu ria arwaru othe rirugamiire andu 148, igana rimwe ria 28, guku na andu angi 26 nimakuite rungu rwa mathaa o ta macio. Ugwatania wa murimu uyu umuthi urugamiire gicunji gia 13 hari igana ukiringithania na muthenya wa ira kuria irari 15.4 hari igana.
Those figures are no reason for us to be complacent at all in the fight against COVID-19.
Riri kuri no nyihu wa riera ria oxygen, kanju ya mangabana kugerera muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ugima wa muingi wa kanju yo Anyang' yugite Thirikari cia kaunti nirerutaniria gutigirira niciagia njira ingi cia gucaria riera ria oxygen kuma kuri endia riera riu.
KEMSA doesn't have the oxygen or cannot supply the oxygen in time, we have to get it. But if they do, sure, they can supply. There's no God-given reason why, if they do have oxygen, they cannot supply to countries.
Niguo kuhetana na thina uyu undu umwe na kugitira mioyo ya akenya, thibitari iria itari na ceceni cia kuiga riera riu niciuritio gutacokia makinya ma kugura riera riri mari na mibango na thirikari nene yoria endia megukinyia riera riu kaunti-ini.
There should be any cause for worry. I do believe that, of course, in certain instances, there can be a surge in admission to isolation centers, intensive care units, and HDUs, which suddenly demands the rise of oxygen. But we have a system regionally that we can share oxygen among ourselves if need be.
Maya mokite riri kuri na haho kuri kaunti iria itahingitwo gukirikana ugwatania wa murimu uyu ni uronekana kwambatira kaunti-ini icio ukiringithania na kaunti 5 iria ihingitwo.
As county government, we will strive to ensure strict adherence of health protocols by all counties, especially those outside the zoned area. We continue to urge members of the public to work collaboratively with the national and county governments towards the fight against COVID-19.
Kuringana na ndumiriri ya kanju ya magabana, ithabu ria itada cia kuiga arwaru a COVID-19 keheri-ini thiini wa kaunti 32 ni 7,346, guku iria iri utheri ni 5,912, nacio itada cia ICU kaunti-ini oro icio ni 390, na iria itari na andu ni itada 228, nacio itada cia HDU ni 156, na iria itari na arwaru ni 69.
The issue of beds in isolation, ICU, and high dependency units nationally in all counties doesn't at the moment raise any alarm.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Baithira wa Kihara.